Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about the word along. This is a simple and useful word that you will hear and use every day. Let's begin our lesson together. So, what does along mean? The word along means moving with something or next to it. It shows direction and movement. When you go along something, you move beside it or follow it. It is easy to understand once you see examples. Imagine you are walking along a path. You move forward next to the path. You can walk along a river. You can drive along a road. You can run along a fence. The word along shows that you are moving beside these things. We use along with many places and things. You can walk along a river. You can drive along a street. You can stand along a fence. You can sit along a line of trees. All these examples show that along connects you with a place or thing nearby. The word along also means with or together. When you bring someone along, it means they come with you. When you go along with a friend, you go together. It shows being together or moving together with someone. There is a nice saying with along. We say, we must all work along to succeed. This means we need to work together. When we work along, we help each other and move forward as a team. It is a beautiful idea. Let me give you some everyday examples. She walks along the beach. This means she walks next to the beach. The kids ran along the fence. They ran beside the fence. He brought his friend along. This means his friend came with him. We sang along with the music. We sang together with the music. These examples show how we use along in daily life. Now, let's think about a journey a long time. In the morning, we traveled along the road. We moved beside the road. In the afternoon, they walked along the trail. They followed the trail. In the evening, we rested along the way. We stopped beside the path. This shows how along describes movement through time and space. Let's remember these important points. First, along means next to or with something. Second, use it for places, paths, or people. Third, it shows movement or being together. Fourth, you can say, bring someone along, too. These points will help you remember how to use along correctly. Keep learning with Wordscience. We are here to help you understand English in a simple and fun way. Every word has a story, and we love sharing it with you. Stay curious and keep watching our lessons. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word along. Remember to practice using it in your daily conversations. See you in the next lesson on Wordscience. Keep learning and keep growing.